everyone. Joining us today at Mapa Bear is Shreya Sharma, a lawyer and the founder of Rest the Case. Rest the Case is a legal platform making law accessible to everyone. With her expertise in legal rights and advocacy, we'll be discussing some important laws that protect children in India today. Shreya, to start off with, can you share some key laws in place for the protection of children and their rights?
Children now, actually, the laws have expanded a little bit more. Earlier, there were a little bit, so because of there were plenty, things that have happened in the past, like, and there are lots of cases that have come up. There are some very, you must have also heard, there are some very gruesome ones also that are, part of, why the laws have changed the way they are. Like, for example, I'll give you one example of, in I think in Delhi it was, a school teacher who was sentenced under the POSCO Act for harassing a student during, I think it was their tuition or extra classes, that kind of thing. And the court then sentenced that child to, the teacher to imprisonment. So the child's parents then spotted that and then and then reported that. And then the court said that smaller details also, not just corporal punishment or that kind of thing, everything that can harm a child, whether it is physical touch, whether it is emotional, whether it is, so all of those things should come into the picture when you're considering whether a child has been abused or not. So it's not just that, oh, you've hit the child or something like that, and then, so not just physical, but physical, sexual, emotional, and even neglect is all considered now when we talk about abuse to a child. Um, so there is the Juvenile Justice Act, and there is the Protection of Child for Sexual Abuse, which is the POSCO. So these are criminal offenses against a child, and these acts are much stricter than you would have it otherwise. So the POSCO Act also, they have reduced the time that you would give a judgment in a POSCO Act. Also, the courts for a POSCO Act are different. They've like, collectively made these decisions that when a child is able to say that, okay, this is my problem, that kind of thing. Even cruelty towards children. So even under the Juvenile Justice Act, even cruelty is a punishable offense. So where you're just talking badly or you're continuously emotionally abusing them, that is also not okay. So those things are also now taken into consideration. So yeah.